Now to use the hob, you'll first need to turn it on by using the rightmost button. Then you'll need to choose which plate you want to use, the closest or the farthest. So if I want to use the closest, I'll choose the closest. Then you have to press the plus symbol. It will defaultly select 5 as the temperature setting. Then you have to select it again. Make sure that it's flashing. Then you can change the temperature, and you can change it from 1 being the lowest to 9 being the highest. Then you can select the second one if you want it to be on. I want to turn it to 1. This one I wanted to turn it to 2. Then if you wish to set a pan or a pot on the setting that you choose, for example, if I choose a setting of 5 and I wanted to cook for a certain period of time and then turn off, you can do that by selecting the plate. So I selected the bottom one. Then you press the timer. Now make sure that there's a little dot next to the plate that you want to have the timer on. You must select the timer. Okay, so that timer is now run out, so you're gonna have to press it again. Press the timer. Make sure that they're both flashing, and then you'll set how much time you want it to operate for. For example, if I only want it to operate for 1 minute, I will leave it for 1 minute. So after 1 minute, this one will turn off. Then if I want to select this one and turn it off after 2 minutes, let's see if I can hold it. Yeah, so I can just hold it down to make it go faster. So I want the top one to only work for 2 minutes, and I wanted the bottom one to work for only 1 minute. So you will see that they both have now dots, so they have their set times. So after a minute, it should turn off. In case you spill some water or something, you put something on the hob and it detects that it's a hand, or it's something that shouldn't be there, what it will do is it will automatically lock itself, and it will show this LO symbol. What you're going to have to do, so once this LO symbol is on, it will prevent you from doing anything except turning it off. Now, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to hold the lock symbol for 4 seconds. Releases the lock, so now you can search and do whatever you want. So now, as you saw, a minute has passed. This plate has turned off, and then you can see that this one still has a minute to go. Now, it is normal for the plate to indicate the symbol H once you've turned it on and it's been turned off. It's just to indicate that this plate is hot right now, so don't try and touch it, you will burn yourself. So after a minute, this top one should turn off. Now, if you decide to turn everything off at once, you can easily do so by simply pressing the power button, and it will turn everything off. And as you see, both of them are flashing H to say that it is hot, warning you to not burn yourself and not put something on that you shouldn't put on.